Okay guys, here's a really simple graduation card. You can find the SVG file at catherineMaryShop.etsy.com, and what we're going to do is I've made a stencil out of class of 2021, congratulations, in the middle, and we are going to put kind of a silver shiny backing for the congratulations. And then this will sit on the yellow backing. So if your class colors are yellow and blue, this might work for you, but you can certainly change those colors, all three of those colors. And I have the little graduation cap for the outside of the envelope. Let's get started. First, we can, after you have cut out all your pieces, this is going to be the front, and this is also a stencil with the stars are cut out. And what I'm going to do is flip that over and line up my corners and make my fold. You can use a ruler to make the crease in your fold. And also, this has a blue backing. So when you put it like this, then everything will go on top. So I will first glue on the backing of the stars. And I'm going to use my double-sided tape today. Just taping or adhering all four corners. There is enough room in the corners to put your double-sided tape so that it does not show through. So let's just flip this over and see. Putting that on the very far edges of each corner. And then I'll have to take that one off. And once all your tape is on the edges, just turn that over and make sure you center that. There's a slight edge for that, so you can center properly. And when you flip it over, a nice finish. And now I'm going to put the yellow one on first, and I am going to use the foam tape for this backing. And this is foam tape, so it has a little bit of not a texture, but it will raise this piece up slightly from the card base. And centering that. It's about where I want it. And then the silver piece will go in the middle. And I want to make sure that that's going to line up perfectly on my page. And I will put that on there. And once your middle piece of silver is on there, I went ahead and spray glued the back of my stencil. Oops. And I missed a little spot right here on the edge. And that is your graduation card. Now for the envelope, we have the class of 2021 inside the black hat, and I am going to put double-sided tape on this side of the hat and stick that to my envelope right on the very top part. And then I'm going to spray glue on the back of 2020. Okay, we have the card and the envelope all ready for graduation. And what we can do for this, so it will stay adhered to the card when you close that, we'll put some double-sided tape on there as well.